This is why you need to start a youth hockey camp. It's not just a business, it's a community builder, a health promoter, and a recurring revenue business all in one. Teaching kids hockey skills isn't just about teaching kids how to shoot a puck. It's about building character, instilling discipline, and encouraging teamwork. Aside from creating elite athletes, you are building future leaders with strong character and sportsmanship. And let's talk business benefits. Youth sports are a growing market, with parents eager to invest in their children's physical and social skills and possible scholarship potential. As business in the local community, you will develop cross-promotional opportunities with other local businesses, schools, and even professional hockey teams. Your hockey camp could become a community hub, bringing people together and boosting local economy. Hockey is a rapidly growing sport throughout the United States. Hockey isn't confined to the northern US and Canada anymore. If you are looking for a high-ticket, high-margin, recurring revenue business with year-round income, consider youth hockey.